Hi everybody, JoPaddy here, and I wanted to say I have been down with the back injury, and I'm going to tell you guys something, it is no fun. And anybody out there that has had a back injury, you know what I'm talking about. It's been horrible, not to mention that I caught like a flu bug on top of that. It's been weeks, and for a while there I couldn't even get out of bed, and I had been to the hospital 3 times. And then on top of that, my son had strep throat, and oh boy, I tell you what, you guys, it has not been a fun ride. And sometimes you just wake up sick, you know, and you just never know. I mean, it was so bad, I'm like, oh my God, is this the beginning of the end? I was like, oh God, this is horrible. But anyway, I'm out of bed now, but not for long. I can't stand long, but I miss the things I love. I'm not able to paint yet or anything like that, but I wanted to do a quick video and talk about those things that I promised. I'm going to end it at the end of this video. I'm going to tack on this tile thing that I was talking about. But I wanted to tell you about the Amazon thing and Redbubble. First off, the Amazon that I was talking about, there are 6 different ways to make money on Amazon. And what I've decided to do is leave a link at the bottom of this video under the description that'll tell you exactly each and every way on how to do that. Because there's a friend of mine that did a video on it, and she explains everything in depth instead of me telling you guys all about it. So that way, instead of me wasting my paint time and having fun, you guys can just check that out for those that are interested. Because if you're not interested, then you don't have to click on it. Okay, the other thing about Amazon really quick is that I am an Amazon influencer. And what that means is that if you guys are painters, or even if you have a puppy or dog, whatever, like I do, I have my own Amazon page, and I do sell some art supplies and the things that I use in my paintings, and my paints and canvases and all that fun stuff, and some doggy toys too. And it doesn't cost you any extra money, but if you want to click on my link, that it helps support my channel. And I usually get a small kickback in the form of like a card or whatever. So thanks guys. If you're interested in that and you want to buy some art supplies, check out my Amazon store. There's lots of pouring supplies there. Now the last thing I wanted to talk about before I advertise the tile video is this stuff here. This is Redbubble, and I was waiting to actually do the review because I didn't get all my stuff in yet because it was Christmas time and everything was delayed. But this is my artwork that is made by Redbubble. And I was telling you guys this because you guys, if you want to sell your artwork or you want to buy something of your own artwork, like a coffee mug or a phone case or whatever like this. This is my own artwork in a phone case. You guys can do that through Redbubble. You don't have to actually, you know, just like go there and buy my stuff. I was doing this and showing you this so you can do this with your own artwork. It's a lot of fun, and it makes great gifts because you can just have anything made. These are pillows I have made of my artwork, and they're really nice. They got zippers so you can take them out and wash them or whatever. Here's another pillow. I just didn't take it out of the bag yet because this is a gift of some of my artwork. It's just really cute, my little Wisconsin cows. And these are like, I think these were $13 for the pillows. I don't know, it's a really good price. And then I have a little backpack that I take to the mall when I'm with my granddaughter and stuff like that, and we have fun, and I can wear a little backpack with her and do a little shopping. And I had the phone case made. And then I had, they have notebooks. This is my artwork too. So you have artwork done of notebooks and stuff like that. And coffee mugs. And I had a coffee mug. I'll have to go get it really quick. And it's like just a notebook. So you can order book bags and notebooks and things for your kids at school with your artwork. And here's some pants that I made. Let me tell you guys something. This material is awesome. It's so soft and so smooth. It feels almost like bathing suit material. But I had some stretch pants, little workout pants made of some of my paintings with the cells on them. And then this one here is like one of my little creatures, sea creatures I had made with the stretch pants or whatever. And it's just a lot of fun. You know, everybody, these make great gifts, you know, for kids or whatever, you know. I mean, anyone would want this stuff. But, you know, I mean, there's a little something for everyone on the Redbubble site is what I'm saying. And I have my own Redbubble store, and I leave the, I'll leave a link below the video if you wanted to check that out. And I wanted to tell you guys something like, as an artist, when I first started advertising some of my own work and thinking about how I'm going to go about selling some of my stuff or whatever, I first went and bought things from other artists. I wanted to see how that was. Not their sales or something like that. It wasn't about that. It was about the product. If I bought something like, I bought a coffee mug from another artist because I wanted to see what that website where I bought the coffee mug from, if it was something that I wanted my artwork on. Did I like that style of coffee mug? How was the delivery? How much is it? Is it a coffee mug that's the wraparound design all the way or whatever? I just wanted to check it out and see if they had different sizes. And I found out that I do. And through doing that, I'm actually supporting an artist, but I'm actually getting to see exactly how I want to represent myself and exactly what websites I want to sell my stuff on. And I found Redbubble to be the best. You get the best return for your money. And I actually like their coffee mugs the best. And hang on one second, I'll go grab that. Instead of just stopping the camera, let me just go grab it real quick, y'all. Hang on here. I'll be right there. All right, here I come. Working my way around the dog. Okay, so they're coffee mugs. I like these. And they're perfect little size. I love these kind. And this is also with one of my artwork with the cells and that. And I love these kind because some coffee mugs are really big. They're more like soup mugs. And you can't always get that at certain websites. They only offer the big ones. You can't always get like this size. So Redbubble has this size, and they also have the large size. And they also have, and I think other websites do too, have the to-go cups. So those really tall, like to-go things. So that's really fun. So you guys will love it. If you want to sell your artwork, or at least check it out so you can know how you want to design it. The website's very easy. The instructions and directions are very easy to follow. And then you can order your own stuff and even do a review on it like I did. Or just order something for yourself and just have fun with it. So spread your artwork around and show yourself some love and be happy. Because I found out that my main thing is what painting makes me happy. And it's not so much even selling my paintings and stuff, because I've had a problem with the websites. Like when I had my Etsy page and that, I still have it, but I had to start over because I didn't publish it right. And it's been one thing after another because I was just so chaotically busy with other things. But I think that I didn't get it right. But I think it's because I'm just more focused on, I've been starting the last few months trying to get together these online painting classes. I like to teach and I like to paint more than I like to sell paintings and keep getting a stockpile of paintings and buying all this stuff. All this stuff is for me and my family. Like, I got this notebook for a friend and a coffee mug for myself and a pants for my granddaughter, you know, but I like to do it because it's my artwork and it's fun. So I just thought I'd inform you guys of all that stuff, and that way you guys have can pick a direction on what you want to do with your art or what makes you happy. All right, everybody, now that I've said that, I'm going to go ahead and connect the video on the tiles that I was talking about. These things here, they're foam, and you guys are going to love that too. So, all right, you guys, I want to say thank you for watching. Ciao, everybody. And today I want to talk briefly on a couple of different things. Tiles. This is the first thing I want to talk about. When you paint, I'm not talking about painting tiles like for coasters. These are different kind of tiles. They're foam core boards with stickies on the back that you can actually remove from the wall and put anywhere you want. And this is of your own artwork. And I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can do this if you want. You can get 5 tiles for $50, $49, but you can have these done in your own artwork and sell them for even $20 a piece, or you put a price on your own artwork, whatever. I'll show you a couple more. I got one of myself because I'm ahead of my own channel, and I thought that was cute. My granddaughter wanted me to do that above my little tornado there. Here's another tile that I had done from a piece of my artwork. And it just comes off the wall really easy, see? And you can place it anywhere you want. Say you change your mind and you want it somewhere else, so you can do that. They're replaceable and removable. And like I said, you can get those for, you know, 5 of them for 49 bucks. And then I don't make the clocks too much. This is a tiny little record that I had made. And I leave that on the wall like that, so if anybody has anxiety or whatever, I stand on the phone, I can twist it and have fun with it and play with it, and everybody that comes over kind of just messes with it. Okay, well that's it for the tiles, and I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can do that if you want to order something of your own artwork or just get pictures. Like I got a tile for my granddaughter of the dog eating some peanut butter. So you can use it for more other things, not just your artwork. You can send them pictures of anything and have a tile made of it. And it's really, really cool. And you guys are going to like that. I'll put a link down below. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching my video on the Redbubble and the Amazon and the tiles. And I'm really looking forward to coming back to painting, you guys. It's been a long road coming back. Oh, it's horrible. I need a walker just to roll over or get out of bed. And I'm really trying hard. I miss painting. I miss my artwork. I miss my art friends. Oh, you guys, I can't wait to come back. So I'll see you soon in the art world. Let's have some fun painting and pouring. And I still want to educate you guys on some other fun stuff on how to make money and paint and have lots of fun. I also have some shout outs to give because I know you guys have given me some mentions. And I want to get out there and mention you guys as well. So, I'm sorry I've been gone a while, you guys. I'm trying so hard to get better. All right, see you soon, everybody.